Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this HOTLIGH rechargeable work light. So this is provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So let's get this open. So here we have the flashlight, a warranty card, quick start guide, and a charge cable. So let's look at the quick start guide. So this shows the different parts. This has UV light, magnetic front spotlight, LED bar light, battery indicators, charge port, rotary dial, open switch button, magnetic base and hook. Here we have the specs. Input is 5 volts at 2 amps. Light output and runtime for the cold bar light is 1500 lumens for 4 hours or 250 lumens for 10 hours. For the warm bar light, it's 1500 lumens for 4 hours and 250 lumens for 10 hours. And the front spotlight is 150 lumens for 24 hours or 50 lumens for 32 hours. The UV light is 395 nanometers. It has a 21700 lithium cell. It's 5000 milliamp hours, has an IPX5 waterproof rating. It's made of aluminum and ABS plastic. This talks about how to use it, has a lockout mode, has a stepless brightness adjustment. This can also be used as a power bank, so you can use it to charge phones and such. This charges with USB Type-C. So here we have the light. So this opens up. It's a very smooth operation. We have a hanging hook here, so that pops out and this will pivot. This is a magnet. It's kind of rubberized. So this is aluminum here, and this is plastic, and this is kind of rubberized. It's just on the bottom it's rubberized. This is hard plastic. So that goes 180 degrees to closed. We have this rotary dial here. That's for selecting the mode. So that's in the lockout mode. Here we have the charge port. Let's try charging this, and this does say in and out. So I have a charger here. So you can use any phone charger, USB port that can supply power. So that's charging. We have a charge indicator. So it's charging at 1.45 amps. So that can vary depending on state of charge of the light. So let's unplug that for now. So to use this, we'll open it up and then we can switch this to the mode. So we'll switch it to white, and then there's a button in the center of the dial. We'll press that to turn it on. Press it again to go to the low mode. So we started off high, we'll go to low and then off. Let's press again to turn on, then we'll hold this down and we'll have the stepless dimming. So you can see it's going to go down. So it's going to flash when it gets to the lowest level, then we'll hold it down again. We'll have stepless dimming until it reaches the brightest, and then we'll have that flash. So let's go to warm mode. So there's the warm light. Again, we have low and off, and we can also do that stepless dimming there. Next we have top light. So if we press that, we have a light out the end. So we have high and low, and this does not have the stepless dimming on the top light. And then finally we have UV light, and that's coming out the end here, and you can't see it right now, but that is on. So you can use that with things like UV dyes. So that's the function of this, but let me shut the light off so we can see the flashlight. So let's try all the modes again. So I'll rotate this. This is the white light, and this is very bright. It's a very even light, and you can just set this on your work surface and point it down or point it out. You can pivot that. So that's on high, then low. Now after a few seconds, when you press the button, it will turn it off immediately instead of going to the lower mode. So that's a nice feature. And here we have the warm light. So that's on high and low. And here we have that front light and the UV light. So here I have a UV domino I had 3D printed. So I can charge this up with the UV light, and you can see that glows very well. But you could use this for looking for pet stains or UV dyes. There are many uses for a UV light like this. Now I'll point the camera at the wall around 4 foot away, and I'll have the light around 4 foot away, and we'll see what the light cast looks like. So here we have the white light high, and this lights up the whole wall. It's very bright. White light low. There's warm light high. Warm light low. And here's that flashlight. So this is going to be a little bit more of a spot. It's not quite as even as the floodlight. And there's the low. And we have the UV light. That's not really going to show up on the wall. Next I'll show some applications of this. Okay, so I'm here at the engine of my car. I'll turn this light on, and you can see this outputs a lot of light. And I can easily stick this into places to light certain things up. So if I'm looking for a leak down here, I can stick the light into the engine down here, and I don't really have to get my hands down there because this is fairly long, and I can direct the light exactly where I want it. Now if I'm doing general work, I can magnet this to a surface. Here we have the strut tower. and I can leave that there and it's going to light up that portion of the engine. Now I have an aluminum hood on this car. If you have a steel hood, you can magnet it right to the hood. Now this would also be good for things like changing a spare tire. I can magnet that right to my fender. I can angle this out, and this gives me very good light for changing a tire. Or say I was working on a brake job and I want some extra light, I can place that right there and have really good light right in the wheel well. A light like this would also work great for appliance repair. This is my furnace. Now I do have the front panel on, but I could magnet this to the top of the panel and light the inside if I was working on it. So if you're looking at like washers, dryers, and other appliances, most of those are made of metal, so it would be easy to mount this magnet to them. So that's the HOTLIGH rechargeable work light. I really like the compact size of this. It fits in the hand nicely. This could easily go in a work bag, but then it extends out and has this nice bar light on here, so you can set this on a work surface and you can point it down. So if you're working on detail work, you can light up your detailed work. But if you're working on a car, you can set this off to the side, angle the light exactly where you're working, and it has a nice, really clean, bright light. This also has a very nice size cell in it, so it will last a long time. You have 5,000 milliamp hours. I like that it has multiple modes depending on what you're doing, and it even includes that UV light, so you can work with UV dyes or look for pet stains. And don't forget the magnet in the bottom too, so you can magnet it to a surface. So if you're looking for a very versatile work light, I think this is a great option. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.